Now, my dear student, logarithm exercise C was going on, and yesterday in the last video we discussed up to question number 7. Now let us start with the question number 8. In the question number 8, they are saying that if log A is whole square minus log B is whole square is equal to log A upon B multiply log A into B, you have to show. So firstly I had taken the log A whole square minus log B whole square. This is the form of x square minus y square of algebra, and you know that x square minus y square क्या होता है? X minus y, x plus y. Now you know that log A minus log B is the formula of log A upon B. Similarly, log A plus log B is the formula of log A multiply with B, और यही हमारा राइट हैंड साइड था, यानी कि this LHS is equal to the RHS, hence proved. Please listen. They are saying show that this equal to this. एक मेथड होता है हम दोनों साइड साथ में लें, क्योंकि मेरे पास ब्लैक बोर्ड पे स्पेस कम था, मैंने कहा मैं एक ही साइड लेकर चलता हूँ. तो आई हैड टेकन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. दिस इज log A होल स्क्वायर माइनस log B होल स्क्वायर, बट दिस इज x स्क्वायर माइनस y स्क्वायर शेप ऑफ अलजेब्रा, तो इट विल बी x माइनस y x प्लस y. नाउ log A माइनस log B फॉर्मूला इज ऑफ log A अपॉन B, क्योंकि माइनस क्या होता है डिग्री, और सिमिलरली log A प्लस B इक्वल टू log into B, क्योंकि log में जो प्लस होता है दैट इज ऑटोमेटिकली मल्टीप्लाइकेशन. Now this is the almost same which is given in the right hand side. So LHS equal to RHS, hence. Now question number 8, second part. They have given this and they are saying that show that 10 is equal to this. तो मैंने कहा भाई show that जो करेंगे, यानी कि उन्होंने आंसर दिया है, पहले मैं देखूं मेरा आंसर क्या है, फिर मैं देखूंगा मेरा आंसर उनके आंसर के जैसा है या नहीं. This is the question. You know this is the multiplication become power. This is the multiplication become power, and minus 1 when shift there to become plus 1. Now this is log m plus log n shape, यानी कि log m into n. और 1 जब आपको पता है जब बेस नहीं दिया होता यानी कि बेस 10, और बेस 10 के लिए 1 की वैल्यू होती है log 10, राइट. नाउ आफ्टर दैट, और आप कहें तो ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं log 10 बेस 10. 1 क्या होता है? log A बेस A, और यहां पे कोई बेस नहीं है तो नेचुरली बेस इज 10. इट इज अंडरस्टूड. आप लिख लें तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं लिखें तो कोई ऐसी नाराजगी नहीं. नाउ टेकिंग एंटी लॉग, या करो कैंसिलिंग द लॉग फ्रॉम बोथ साइड, तो A बेस टू पावर B, B रेज पावर A इज इक्वल टू 10 log get cancel. Again listen, this is the multiply become power, this is the multiply become power, this is the minus 1 become plus 1. Now this is log m plus log n shape, that is log m into n. 1 क्या होता है? log A बेस है, यानी कि log कुछ भी कर सकते थे, तो मैं क्योंकि log बेस 10 था तो आई हैड टेकन 10, और मैं चाहता तो डायरेक्टली log 10 भी लिख सकता था. आफ्टर दैट आई वांट टू कैंसिल द log, क्योंकि मेरे आंसर में मेरे पास log नहीं है, तो उसके लिए हमारा जो प्रोसेस होता है उसका नाम होता है टेकिंग एंटी लॉग. तो टेकिंग एंटी लॉग A रेज पावर B पहले लिख दिया, B रेज पावर A बाद में लिख दिया, इज इक्वल टू 10, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने A पहले और B बाद में लिखा है. अदरवाइज मैं ऐसे भी लिख देता तो आंसर इज सेम, बिकॉज 2 3 जा या 3 2 जा, आंसर इज 6. ओके एवरीबॉडी, नाउ लेट अस टेक द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, let us start question number 9. Question number 9, first part is log A plus 1 is equal to log 4A minus 3 minus log 3, then what will be the value of B? Now beta listen, this is log 4A minus 3 minus log 3, log m minus log n, क्या होता है? log m upon n, left hand side as it is. Now both sides are having log, so let us cancel it by saying taking anti log. What is left? A plus 1. What is left? 4A minus 3 upon 3. This 3 cross multiply है, 3 into A 3A, 3 1 जा 3. This 4A minus 3 as it is. This 3A when come here, so after subtraction A, when minus 3 go there after addition 6, so A is equal to 6. Again listen, as it is, this is log m minus log n shape, so that is log m upon n. Both sides are having one term, both sides having log, so let us take it anti log. So A plus 1 is equal to 4A minus 3 upon 3, 3 into A, 3 into 1, so 4A minus 3, and after shifting we come to know that A is equal to 6. Now come to the second part. the second part, 2 log y minus log x minus 3ac. This 2 is of multiplication, so it become power. This minus log x as it is, and this minus 3 shifted there, that become plus 3. Now this is log m minus log n shape, that is log y square upon x is equal to 3. And when base is not written, then base is 3. And when we shift the base, the logarithm get form become exponential form. 10 to the power 3 is 1000. And in the question they are saying that express x, and x will be known as a subject. So I take the x here and 1000 here, that is y square upon 1000. Again please listen. This is 2 log y minus log x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is your second part. This 2 is multiplication, so it become power. Minus log x as it is, minus 3 shifted there, so become plus 3. Now this is log m minus log n, that is log m upon n as it is. Now when base is not written, it is understood, it is for your class. It is 10. In senior classes, it may be e. So 10 come to here, so 10 is power 3, that is 1000. Y square upon x is 1000. So x equal to y square divided by 1000. So that is your answer. Let us see question number 9, third part. Now my dear student, let us take third part of question number 9. They are saying log 10 base 125, 3 bracket 1 minus log 10 base 2 is equal to RC. So you know that log base 10 no need to write. So I had not written, it is understood. If you write, there is no problem. Now 125 is 5 cube, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. Now this power 3 will come forward, so what is left? Log 5 as it is. Now I find out that this is 3 multiply, this is 3, this is 3 multiply. So all terms are having 3, so let me cancel 3 from here, here and here. Here after cancellation log 5, here after cancellation nothing, that is 1, because what is this? This is 3 multiply 1, 3 cancel 1. Okay, and what is that? Log 2. This minus log 2 shifted here, that become plus log 2. 5 and log 2, 5 into 2. Log 5 plus log 2 is log 5 multiplied by 2, 10. And you know that when base is not there, so base is 10. Anything base with the same number is 1, so 1 is equal to 1, hence. Again listen, 125 can be written as 5 cube, 3 1 ja, 3. This 5 cubes 3 will come to the multiplication as this. Instead of 3 I written 3 multiplied by 1, so that cancellation में आपको दिक्कत ना आए. Now after that, what is this? Log 5, what is this? 1, what is this? Log 2. Now let us take the terms of logarithm one side and one separate side. It is log m plus log n, and log m multiplied with n. Now m into 5 to 10, or anything base 10 is 10, so that is 1, so that is your answer. Now please come to the question number 10. They had given the value of the log x, log y, log z, and they are saying that express this in terms of m and n. So now this is x square y cube z4. So these are in the numerator, so these will be positive. This is in the denominator, this will be negative. Now power will come forward, power will come forward, power will come forward. After that, this is the value of log x, this is the value of log y, this is the value of log z. Now let me open the bracket, 2 2n, 2 into minus 3 into n, 3 into minus 2, 4 into 3n, minus 4 into minus 2. After that, m comes one place, n comes other place. It is 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 12 minus 14. Minus 2 plus 3 1 1 plus 8 9, and this is also the answer. But normally हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पॉजिटिव टर्म पहले लिखते हैं, नेगेटिव टर्म बाद में. So due to that I write 9 and firstly n. Actually what happened, at this point the is equal to is going, at this point is equal to is going. तो several times क्या होता है बेटा कि आप लोग जब is equal to लगा रहे होते हैं तो is equal to ऐसे आता है, और जब कोई दूसरा तेजी से देखता है तो उसको ऐसे लगता है कि 2 is equal to लंबा लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है. सो टू ओवरकम दैट प्रॉब्लम हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो माइनस वाली टर्म होती है उसको कहीं वो इज इक्वल टू के स्लैश के साथ मैच ना कर जाए, we give it a little bit later space. Okay, but this is also right, there is no any objection. Your handwriting is very clear and you know or you feel can you never make mistake in writing, my handwriting is very good, so you are most welcome to opt for this. Okay, now the last question of the exercise C. Now my dear students, please listen. Question number 11, the last question of the exercise. Here the base is x. Whenever base is other than 10 for you, it is compulsory to write the base. So what happened? I write it log m minus log m upon n. देखो log base x I had mentioned each and every base because this time base is not 10. अगर 10 होता तो मैं हर बार मेंशन नहीं करता, मैं कहता it is useless, it is understood. Now तो log m माइनस log n का log m अपॉन n 25 की कटिंग हुई तो ये हो जाएगा 5. इधर क्या है log 121 upon 125 और माइनस बिकम प्लस, प्लस बिकम माइनस व्हेन वी टेक द रेसिप्रोकल. याद रखना व्हेन वी टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ए नंबर इन log देन साइंस गेट चेंज. दिस इज द माइनस ड्यू टू दिस रेसिप्रोकल, ड्यू टू दिस रेसिप्रोकल दिस माइनस बिकम प्लस. आप कहें तो इसको थोड़ा और साफ लिख लीजिए 125 upon, right? Now 25.5 1, this is plus, when it comes to this side it become minus. Okay, and upon 1 is not necessary to write to 125. Now it is log m minus log n, that is log m divided by n. कटिंग क्या रहेगा 1 upon 25, राइट साइड पे 2 2 2 2. Now this is the base x and you know that when we shift the base the logarithmic form become exponential form. This x come here so it become x raised to power 2. X raised to power 2 is a square. So if this is square, let me see, is there any square is possible? Yes, 1 is also a square, 25 is also a square. So now this is square, this is square, this is square. So let us take cancel the square, जिसको मैथमेटिक्स की लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं टेकिंग स्क्वायर. तो what is left 1, what is left 5 and what is left x. Again please listen. Log m minus log n, log m upon n. This is minus, so I write that plus and become reciprocal. 25 upon 5 is 5 and this positive term when come here it become negative. Again log m minus log n, so log m upon n. After cutting it is 125. Everywhere you had noticed yourself in this question, I am writing the log base x because other than 10 is compulsory. Now after that this is the logarithmic form. I shift the base so it becomes the exponential या power. So now this is the square, so let me break also 1 in the square, 25 also in the square. All are square, so square get cancelled by taking the square root. So x is equal to 1 upon 5. So this is your answer. So my dear student, this is the end of the exercise C. And I am requesting you, tomorrow your live class is there for exercise D. And please communicate to as many as possible. Because tomorrow there will be attendance during the live class. How? That I will tell you in the class only. Otherwise you will become, very possible you will try to manage the attendance from outside. Because वैसे तो screenshot भी हैं, but screenshot में there are few people are not coming according to their names. They are having the name of their father or the mobile or whatever it is. Okay. So tomorrow there will be attendance of class 9th also. 6th, 7th, so 6th and 8th already I am taking attendance. So tomorrow 9th class attendance is there. So you will be very careful about that. And I hope each and everybody is present tomorrow. Okay. Otherwise कोई बात नहीं, आपकी मर्जी है. If you will be not present, और ये मत सोचिएगा कि हम क्या कुछ बहाना लगा देंगे, क्योंकि I can't think there is any person. If you are attending one period of any teacher, it means you are able to attend the other teacher's period also. So I hope tomorrow you all will be alert, and if there is any doubt regarding XA A, B, C, you can ask that also during tomorrow meeting.